How to fix photos not saving to camera roll on Android. First and foremost, you have to make sure that you have enough storage in your device. If your device storage is full, your device will not be able to save further pictures. So you can try to free up some space by deleting some pictures or videos from your gallery in order to save more pictures to your gallery. The second option will be make sure that you have allowed permission to access images or videos to camera in your device. To check that, open up settings, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, tap on the search icon from the top right corner, and in the search bar search for camera. Once you get to app info page, tap on permissions. In here you have allowed early permission for the photos and videos for camera application. Once you're done with that, go back, tap on storage and cache, and then tap on clear cache. Sometime clearing the cache will help to remove all kind of glitches from the application, which might help you to solve the problem. Once you have done this, now get back and check whether your problem is solved or not. If still not, you can simply try to restart your device, and once you restart your device, try to save images to your camera roll. These solutions will help you to fix your problem. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.